There was speculation earlier this month about Samsung possibly rolling out an update in April to tackle the camera problems on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, it appears that this may not materialize after all. Ice Universe, a reputable tipster known for accurate leaks, has revealed that the anticipated camera update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra has been delayed, with the earliest expected release now pushed back to June. Initially, the same source had indicated that the update would arrive within this month, offering specifics on the issues it aimed to resolve, including inaccuracies in white balance, abnormal red hues, and concerns regarding telephoto image quality. Samsung has been in the news recently, and it's not always for positive reasons. Following the rollout of the One UI 6.1 update to many Galaxy devices, some users have begun reporting issues such as broken fingerprint scanners, slower charging speeds, screens freezing up, camera issues. While it's true that not all reported issues can be directly attributed to Samsung, such as the touchscreen problems seen with the Galaxy S23, the camera issues specifically affecting the Galaxy S24 Ultra can be attributed solely to Samsung. This indicates a need for the company to address and resolve these camera-related concerns through updates or other means to uphold the device's performance and user satisfaction. Samsung's forums have been inundated with grievances from Galaxy S24 Ultra users encountering persistent camera issues since the phone's release. Complaints range from faulty white balance and telephoto image problems to overexposure and abnormal red colors, all of which have been consistently reported by users over an extended period. Despite the Galaxy S24 Ultra boasting an impressive camera that quickly topped the charts upon its January release, issues like faulty white balance and overexposure have surfaced, potentially dampening user experience. An eagerly awaited update is expected to address these concerns, although the exact rollout date remains uncertain. Stay tuned for updates. The device features a stellar camera setup, including a 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 2 zoom cameras, a 10-megapixel zoom camera with a 3x telephoto lens and a 50-megapixel camera with a 5x lens. Which issue you are facing on your Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comments section. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.